As a fragile truce ended the hostilities between India and Pakistan, Islamabad has said it remains committed to the understanding with India, agreed after 4 days of intense fighting last week, but raised objection over Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent remarks, calling them provocative. In a statement, Pakistan's Foreign Ministry raising objection to said the comments made by Prime Minister Modi during the address to the nation were inflammatory. The statement added the truce was brokered with help of friendly nation, a claim rejected by PM Modi as well as the Indian Foreign Ministry. In a copycat remarks, the statement further said Pakistan will monitor India's actions towards the truce and will respond accordingly. Notably, Prime Minister Modi reiterated India's stance in his address to Air Force personnel in Adampur. He said India's Lakshman Rekha against terrorism is now very clear. If they are in any terror attack again, India will give a befitting reply, as he once again highlighted India has only suspended its military response on Pakistan's appeal. He said, while India is the country of Buddha, it is also the land of Guru Gobind Singh, and added, tradition to take up arms to destroy evil and establish righteousness. India wants peace, but if humanity is attacked, then India also knows very well how to destroy the enemy on the war front, the Indian Prime Minister said with S-400 system in the background, which Islamabad claimed was destroyed in its military action.
साथियों, आतंक के विरुद्ध भारत की लक्ष्मण रेखा अब एकदम स्पष्ट है। अब फिर कोई टेरर अटैक हुआ तो भारत जवाब देगा, पक्का जवाब देगा। ये हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक के समय देखा है, एयर स्ट्राइक के समय देखा है, और अब तो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर भारत का न्यू नॉर्मल है।